Welcome to Mind Alchemist, where we transform thought into action and potential into reality. Today, we're diving into the world of the ENFP male, the champion, the advocate, the inspirer. You, the charismatic innovator and passionate dreamer, are about to unlock a treasure trove of strategies designed to amplify your natural talents, deepen your relationships, and catapult your career to new heights. Stay with us, and by the end of this video, you'll have a master plan for harnessing your endless energy, channeling your creativity, and maintaining your boundless enthusiasm for life. Let's set this journey into motion. Your journey as an ENFP is as colorful and dynamic as the murals of a bustling city street. Creativity unleashed. Your mind buzzes with a rare electricity, sparking ideas that could light up the sky. But the key to unlocking this potential? Structure. Not walls to contain your creativity, but frameworks to give it direction. Begin by dedicating notebooks for your ideas, one for immediate action, another for future exploration. This way, your creativity has room to breathe and a place to grow. In these pages, your wildest concepts can take shape, morphing from fleeting thoughts to actionable plans. Regularly revisit and update your ideas, as time can lend new insights. Share these notebooks with trusted peers. Collaboration can refine and amplify your vision. Strategizing your enthusiasm. Harness your natural enthusiasm by anchoring it to clear objectives. This is where goal setting turns into goal getting. Smart, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound goals can transform your spirited ambitions into palpable outcomes. This doesn't stifle your spontaneity. It empowers it, giving every leap a landing spot. To ensure continuity, break down larger goals into daily tasks to keep the momentum. Celebrate each milestone, no matter how small, to maintain enthusiasm. Use setbacks as learning experiences, not as breaks on your enthusiasm but as fuel for your journey forward. Relationship dynamics. For you, every interaction is painted with the potential for depth and connection. However, this can sometimes lead to emotional exhaustion. It's vital to discern which connections truly enrich your life. Cultivate relationships that reciprocate your energy and intention. And remember, it's okay to step back and recharge your social batteries. Setting boundaries is an act of self-care that protects your emotional well-being. Be proactive in your interactions, choosing quality over quantity in your social circles. Encourage mutual growth and support, as these are the hallmarks of truly rewarding relationships. Empowering career paths. Your career should be as dynamic as you are. Seek roles that allow for flexibility and innovation. Entrepreneurship, marketing, coaching. Fields where your impact is visible and your input valued. Ensure that your work environment echoes your need for variety and your desire to make a difference. Constant learning should be at the heart of your professional development. Look for mentors and roles that challenge you beyond your comfort zone. Embrace the digital age and its tools to maximize your reach and effectiveness. Mindfulness and focus. In a world that's always spinning, mindfulness can be your grounding force. It's about bringing intention to your actions and presence to your moments. Through practices like meditation or focused hobbies, you learn to channel your thoughts rather than chasing them. Implement mindfulness in small, daily activities to turn them into habits. Use technology, like apps for guided meditation, to help maintain your practice. Remember, mindfulness is also about self-compassion, so be kind to yourself when your focus drifts. Building resilience. Your optimism is a beacon, but resilience ensures it never dims. By embracing challenges as growth opportunities, you become adept at navigating life's ebbs and flows. Reflect on setbacks with a learner's mind, always seeking the lesson amidst the struggle. Create a support system that you can rely on during tough times. Keep a journal of your resilience journey to remind you of how far you've come. Remember, resilience is not about never falling, but about learning how to rise every time you do. Diverse interests. Your palette of interests is vast. Don't limit it. Dive into new experiences, whether it's a cooking class, a coding bootcamp, or a travel adventure. Each new skill and experience enriches your narrative and enhances your versatility. Interconnecting different interests can lead to unique insights and innovations. Don't fear the initial discomfort of being a beginner. It's a sign of growth. Share your diverse passions with others. Teaching is a powerful way to deepen your own understanding. Expressing authenticity. Your emotional landscape is rich and varied. Expressing this authenticity means embracing vulnerability. When you share your true self, you invite connections that resonate on a deeper frequency. Seek safe spaces and communities where your authenticity is celebrated. Authenticity attracts, so be the beacon that brings like-minded individuals to you. Remember that authenticity does not mean perfection. It's about being real and relatable. Document your journey of self-expression. It can inspire others and serve as a reflection of your progress. Channeling passion into purpose. Your passions are numerous, but when channeled into purposeful endeavors, they become powerful catalysts for change. Align your passions with causes and projects that speak to your values. This alignment converts energy into impact, making your work profoundly rewarding. Use your voice and platform to advocate for the causes you're passionate about. From networks with those who share your purpose to amplify your efforts. Stay informed and adapt as your passions evolve. The journey is as important as the destination. Balancing idealism and realism. Your heart beats to the rhythm of idealism, yet reality demands pragmatism. Balancing these can be your greatest strength. Set grand visions, but anchor them with realistic milestones. It's about dreaming your feet on the ground and your eyes on the stars. Utilize planning tools to map out the steps toward your lofty goals. Seek advice from those who have successfully walked a similar path. Remember, the bridge between idealism and realism is built with the bricks of hard work and determination. Align your actions with your values, and let this integrity be the compass that guides you. Cultivating enduring friendships. You attract people with ease, but enduring friendships require tending. Invest in those who bring out your best, who challenge you, who laugh and dream with you. These are the bonds that will stand the test of time and change. Make time for regular check-ins and heart-to-heart conversations. Embrace the changes in each other's lives as opportunities for your friendships to evolve. And never underestimate the power of shared memories to reinforce your bond. Cultivate a garden of memories through shared experiences. It will become a sanctuary for friendship. As an ENFP, your life is a canvas of possibilities. Each stroke of experience a burst of color. The strategies we've explored are your brushes. With them, paint your masterpiece. Your vibrant imagination is the palette from which you draw an array of hues, infusing life with innovation and excitement. Remember to step back occasionally, to view the whole picture and appreciate how the individual parts come together in a beautiful tableau. Embrace each new challenge as a fresh layer to your work of art, knowing that with every experience, you are creating something uniquely extraordinary. We're nearing the end of our journey today, but for you, the ENFP is just another beginning. You're not just chasing dreams, you're catching them, one vibrant, joyous, and heartfelt moment at a time. Let us know how these strategies will shape your adventures by dropping a comment below. And if you've found today's guide invigorating, like, share, and subscribe for more alchemical transformations. Farewell for now, champions of change. May your path be as limitless as your imagination, and may your spirit forever dance to the tune of possibility.